The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello and welcome to The English We Speak. With me, Feifei.
And me, Rob. Hey, Feifei, I have a little challenge for you.
Oh, good. I like a challenge.
Right, well, can you name a bird that has bright feathers?
A parrot?
Nope, it has big, colourful feathers that it sticks up when it's showing off and trying to attract a mate.
Got it, a peacock. Why are you asking?
Well, it's a clue for this authentic English phrase. Can you think of an expression which describes someone showing off to attract attention?
Yes, Rob, it's peacocking. I often use it to describe you. But Rob, peacocking never impresses me.
Well, Feifei, you are hard to impress. But maybe these examples of peacocking will.
Why does Dev have to wear that bright shirt and walk around the office talking and laughing loudly? It's obvious that he's peacocking, but to me, he's just annoying.
When we first met, I was impressed by John's flashy clothes and constant jokes. But he was obviously peacocking because now he just wears jeans and never says anything funny.
I thought my peacocking skills would work wonders on our blind date. Unfortunately, she told me I was just showing off and I just needed to be myself. I don't think I'll be seeing her again.
You're listening to The English We Speak from BBC Learning English. We're talking about peacocking, which describes someone showing off to attract attention and impress people.
Originally, it described an extreme and over-the-top way a man might dress and the arrogant way he might behave to attract a woman.
Yes, I can see why you would have been good at that, Rob.
Well, women do it now too, Feifei. For example, by bragging on Instagram about the amazing things they've done.
OK, it seems like anyone can be guilty of peacocking these days.
Well, you'd never find me peacocking, Feifei. I'm not the sort of person to show off. I hate to attract attention.
What do you mean, Rob? You're always the centre of attention.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.